If you're considering having or already have an on-premises laundry room in your hotel, there are lots of considerations to weigh up.
In this video, we'll outline all the things you need to consider when purchasing equipment for a hotel laundry room, as well as looking at the best commercial washing machines for hotels.
We'll also look at the best commercial dryers and discuss whether you should consider stackable options.
Finally, we'll look at exactly how you can ensure disinfection in every cycle.
If you don't currently have your laundry on premises, there are a lot of advantages.
Well, generally speaking, doing your laundry in-house means you don't have to let soiled linen piled up as much as you would if you used external laundry providers.
You'll have direct control over your costs and the quality of laundry.
You can minimise linen damage through the management of wash chemicals and detergents.
You can control the process from start to finish. This means you can quickly react to any changes in requirements or demand shifts.
In short, keeping your hotel laundry services in-house means you can take full control over what, how, and when you wash. By keeping control of your laundry rather than outsourcing it, you'll never have to worry about letting people down.
So how do you choose the right setup for your business?
To run a professional laundry service in your hotel, you must have the right commercial laundry equipment in place.
This means that your washers and dryers must be built for business use and must be suitable for the unique demands of hotel laundry.
The best commercial washing machines for hotels will perform cycle after cycle without compromising on quality.
Commercial washing machines for hotels are larger in capacity than domestic machines, and they allow you to do bigger loads less often.
This means that not only will you spend less time on laundry, but you'll also spend less money on your energy bills.
Specialist commercial washers and dryers that are built for use in hotels contain sensors that help them calculate linen weight, water and detergent use.
This ensures that you get the best possible results without wasting any resources.
Thanks to their smart technology, many of these machines can save you up to 32% on your utility bills.
Although purchasing specialist washers and commercial dryers for hotels may seem like a big investment, it's important to remember that machines like ours are available with all-inclusive supply and service packages.
Our packages even include emergency breakdown cover, so you'll never be without towels or sheets.
Of course, the laundry equipment that's best for your hotel will depend on your unique requirements. That said, if you have a small hotel with 10 to 50 bedrooms, then we'd suggest a combination like a JLA 22 smart washer, an SD 35 smart dryer, and a 1.5 meter rotary ironer.
If you're operating a much larger hotel with 100 plus bedrooms, we'd instead suggest a combination like a JLA 50 smart washer, an SD 80 smart dryer, and a 1.9 meter dryer ironer.
If you've got limited space and you need a laundry solution, then you need to consider a stackable solution.
Designed to be as efficient and cost-effective as single machines, stackable washing machines and tumble dryers fit neatly on top of each other and give your hotel laundry room two pieces of equipment in a space of one. This provides staff with more space, helping you cope with extra throughput and expanding your capacity without changing the layout.
Choosing the right stackable solution for your business will depend on the kind of space you have, the volume you need to clean and dry, and the speed at which you need to turn the washers around.
Let's take a quick look at our range.
JLA 98 Stackable. Designed with efficiency in mind, each of these machines offers low water consumption, speedy spin cycles, and a generous drum capacity for more efficient than ever performance.
With a 9.5 kilogram capacity and a drum volume of 201 litres. It's ideal for everyday multi-load use and allows you to do more in less time. And with 4 different temperature settings, the JLA 98 is adaptable to suit any load type.
We recommend the JLA 98 commercial dryer for smaller hotels and B&Bs.
JLA 1698 Stack Smart Wash. Our stackable smart commercial tumble dryers can be used above our smart commercial washing machines.
If you need extra drying capacity, then you can also put 2 dryers together in an upright combination, saving time and space in the process.
The smart stack washers and dryers are perfect for large capacity, high volume spaces where speed and quantity are important.
With a number of innovations that are designed to cut costs and drying times, our range of smart commercial tumble dryers continues to set a new benchmark.
whilst the smart washing machines are our fastest, strongest and smartest washers yet. Packed full of innovation and designed to last with industrial-grade durability.
The range is perfect for larger hotels with high volume needs.
In a setting such as a hotel, it's also vital that you ensure complete disinfection in every cycle.
Thankfully, our Otex ozone laundry system has been proven to kill 99.999% of viruses and bacteria in laundry, including coronavirus.
Using natural chemical disinfection at low temperatures for deep cleaned, fresh smelling and softer linen.
Plus, the Ozone Otex laundry system can also eradicate harmful microorganisms in every wash. It even prints a validation receipt to prove disinfection has taken place.
To make things even better, Otex works at ambient temperatures. This means that it reduces utility costs and uses less hot water, gas and electricity than traditional thermal laundry systems.
As a hotel manager, Otex will help you improve housekeeping hygiene. It will also help you get fluffier towels and even better reviews.
This is because Otex also cleans deeper to give optimum wash quality and extended fabric life. Fibres and linens are gently opened during the ozone laundry process, which enables deep cleaning that adds a high wash quality to the core disinfection process.
All of this means that users receive fresher smelling laundry. Added to this, items such as towels come out up to 20% fluffier than they would in traditional washing machines.
We hope this quick overview has been helpful. As always, you can find more information over on the website or get in touch and talk to one of our experts today.
Thanks for watching.